Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials, your laptop model and whether you're on Windows 10/11 or Mac OS because shortcuts differ. Once done, check the keyboard for display icons and try FN plus that F key. This toggles external or mirrored modes. If you use a docking station, unplug it to force the laptop panel as primary. Make sure graphics drivers aren't mid-update. If they are, pause and finish that first so the display state won't change unexpectedly. Next, open the system display controls to correct split-screen behavior. On Windows, go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Display, and identify multiple monitors. Select Duplicate or Extend and pick one as main. On Mac OS, open System Settings, right arrow Displays, then arrange or enable mirror mode so windows snap correctly. Once you select resolutions and orientation, press Apply and Confirm. This cements the config. If split windows persist, use the keyboard shortcut Win+P on Windows to cycle display modes quickly and reassert the chosen layout. Finally, address stubborn splits by resetting drivers and firmware. You should update or roll back the GPU driver in Device Manager or via Intel/NVIDIA/AMD utilities. Once updated, reboot to let settings apply. If problems continue, boot safe mode to rule out software conflicts or test with an external monitor to isolate the panel. Make sure to reset SMC/PRAM on Mac or run a Windows system restore if recent changes caused it. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, capture a photo and contact support with model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.